Welcome to Best India Reviews. If you want the best product at the right price, you're in the right place. Let's get into it.
In this video, we will share the best affordable hair dryers you can buy in India. Before we begin, please subscribe to our channel and support us for more helpful videos. We will start from the last pick and move up to the best one. Please check the video description for the product links and latest prices. We have analyzed and compared many affordable hair dryers and picked these top options for you based on our research and analysis. In this video, we have highlighted the key features and benefits of each affordable hair dryers so you can easily compare them and choose the one that suits your needs. To know the product price details, please see the video description. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Let's discuss the key things to consider when buying affordable hair dryers. First, check the wattage, as higher wattage means faster drying and better performance, even at a lower cost. Next, look for multiple heat and speed settings to give you control and protect your hair from heat damage. Another important factor is the weight and design. Lightweight dryers are easier to handle and reduce arm strain during use. Also, consider features like a cool short button that helps set your hairstyle in place. The type of attachments, such as diffusers and concentrators, can make a big difference in styling versatility. Lastly, make sure the hair dryer has safety features like overheat protection and a removable filter for easy cleaning. With these points in mind, you can find a budget-friendly dryer that performs well. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.